What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. Well, the video today is all about Ulanzi tiny microphone. This microphone, I wanted it so many times before they even wanted to release it officially. I pre-ordered it, and today we are having it in the house. It's called the Ulanzi A30. It's a really nice one, and enough of me talking. Let's get started. Ooh, there we go. As you can see, guys, that's the A30 from Ulanzi. This kind of mic, so special about it, it's so smaller in size compared to either A30 I'm having, even compared to the A100. Remember the A100, which we checked it out last time? So this is the A100. It's really nice, and I painted it a little bit to give it some texture, you know what I mean? Looking really great, you know what I mean? So I think it's really cool. So today we're having the A30. This is a very smaller kind of microphone, to be honest, and I really like it. And we're gonna just unbox it here and check it out, what's so good about it, and see the specs and test it and experience what's so goody with this kind of microphone. So enough of me talking, let's jump in on the video. So yeah, so guys, this is our product here, the Ulanzi tiny mic A30, and we're gonna just unbox it right now and check it out, what's so goody and what's inside here, this kind of bad boy. Okay, nice. That's something different. Okay, there we have it. So this is our paperwork. You just have to read the paperwork. I understand some of you guys do and some of you guys don't. Ooh, you're getting stickers. Nice. I think these stickers you just interchange through the microphone if you want to stick it somewhere. They gave us 2 stickers, which is something which is so great. So yeah, see guys, this is a pouch, I guess, and the type C, this is a type C. Yeah, definitely this is a USB type C. Actually, this is a USB A to USB type C, and you're having the USB type C to jack. This goes to your camera, so you can use this cable for your camera, and this one you can use it for charging, which is quite impressive. Is this kind of pouch. So this is the pouch whereby you can keep your mic. Really cool, to be honest. And I feel jealousy because I think the A30 needed something like this. Ulanzi, come on, just look at it, how it feels. Really cool, right? So I'm gonna keep that aside first. So what's in here, because there's some accessories inside here. So as you can see, starting with the first accessories in here, this is a windshield, so you keep it on your mic, which is cool. Another windshield. These are interchangeable case throughout your mic, which is something which is so great. So let us just see them physically, so as you guys can see what's inside this kind of case. Oh, you get dual, which is really great. So this is the black color. We're gonna paint on it. Can't wait. Here you're having a white version of the case, which is really cool. So this dongle basically is for the lightning for iPhone. You just connect it here, type C to lightning, which is great if you want to use it for the iPhone. These ones are magnetics, so you just have to be careful whenever you use these magnetics, as you can see. So these are magnets, you can clip them on your mic. We're gonna see it on action. So yeah, this is our bad boy over here, which is really cool. To be honest, the case seems to be really smaller in size. Like literally, the case is so small. Damn, this is really amazing. Just look at the case, man, the way they made it. This is just amazing, incredible. Just check it out, this case of A30 compared to the A100. As you can see, the A100, the case is really bigger. This is actually very smaller. You can see how much it has taken the space compared to even this bad boy. Just like that, you can see guys in action. This is the A100, this is the A30, and this is the A30, which is really smaller in size and it's really compact. So let's see inside. Wow, that's really cool. As you can see how it is, this is just an incredible mic, to be honest. And whenever you just open the case, the lights on. So I guess you just have to remove this kind of stickers over here. There we go. We're all steady and we connected here, and this is like the button to check out the juice, which is really dope. And you can see guys how it looks like. Looks really incredible. We're testing the microphone from Ulanzi, the A30 Tiny Mic, which is something which is so amazing. And I'm actually outside, outdoor, which is, it's really cool because you're going to be experiencing the microphone capability, because you'll understand it, how the mic is picking, how the mic is capturing, and even the distance of range of the mic, which is something which is so important. So many people, they might be asking themselves sometimes, how is the microphone quality-wise? I can say the microphone quality-wise is really impressive. Even the form factor, it's just amazing, because you can even hear right now the motorcycle has just passed by, and even my voice, how much crispy it is without even windshield. So the microphone is capable of just having some greatness throughout picking, and it's just easier for you to use it on your smartphone, because I wanted it to use it on my smartphone. I understand I have the Ulanzi A100, but the A30 is just incredible. So this is the mic. It's so small in size, to be honest, and you can just snap it anywhere you want. Like, you can just keep it anywhere you would like to keep your mic, and it's steady. So we're gonna just do a test of range throughout the mic and experience how much is picking up or capturing, so as we can see how it is. So yeah, right now I'm at the far distance away throughout this road, and as you can see me, I'm just flowing throughout this road to come all the way there, so as you can hear how much the sound is picking directly on the microphone. And it's really such an incredible thing throughout using this mic, because you might be doing an interview or a street talk, and you just want your mic to be capturing you throughout a greatness. And right now I'm just walking by throughout this road, and yeah, it's really amazing, and I'm just so pumped on how this mic is capturing. So yeah, to the camera right now, because I was really far from the camera, you can see the difference throughout this kind of mic. And possibilities are just endless through using the A30 mic from Ulanzi. This kind of mic is so amazing because it captures really stunning audio, and you can just do it throughout the street talk, which is really a great thing. So yeah, right now I'm gonna show you something which is so amazing. Is this mic interview handle. I mean, like, there's a handle of the mic. So you can just have your microphone, the A30, and you just mount it here throughout your stand. As you can see right now, it has transformed to be just like a street talk interview handle mic. And you have your sponge here for the wind. So we're gonna just keep it inside. So when you're done, just like that, you can have your portable walking around mic to interview people and ask them about anything you'd like. Not only for interviewing people, but for your own kind of videos you want to just produce throughout here. So this kind of microphone, it's really amazing because you can transform it throughout anything you want. And I'm just speechless about it because it's really cool. So yeah, let's talk about the A30 Tiny Mic specification. Well, it has 5 hours of recording from each mic. It has 20 hours in the case sight and up to 30 meters of non-line sight, which we are talking about the range. It has 2 ways to wear, which you can use it throughout the magnetic and even clip-in. It can work throughout bunch of your devices like your PC, your cameras, and even your smartphones. It has a good environmental noise cancellation, which is really amazing. On top of that, on charging time, you can charge it for 1.5 hours, which lasts incredibly throughout usage. On the quality side, it uses the plastic and metal, which is really impressive. So guys, this is the Ulanzi A30 Tiny Mic. To be honest, this kind of microphone is just amazing, and the way it was capturing throughout the road is really incredible because you're shooting directly throughout the phone, the Pixel 7 Pro, and to be honest, it's just flawless. And the way they made it, Ulanzi, the form factor and all of that is just really cool. I can't complain. I can say, can't say like, okay, what? No. I know each kind of microphone has its own kind of flaws, and through this kind of microphone, something which is so good, it has gain. Like, you can use it through gaining the volume, and you can even use it for noise reduction, which is really amazing. Controlling everything directly throughout the receiver. But whenever you get it, read the manual. It's really important to understand how you can use throughout the gain and noise reduction. So it's really cool. And to be honest, this kind of mic made my whole day just amazing. Yes, it's just on the go and it captures really cool. So thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, consider subscribing to Homeboy here. I really appreciate on that because it's really dope. And some of you guys, you're new here and you're not sub to the channel, make sure that you sub to the channel, supporting Homeboy here. It will be really amazing. And last but not least, I'll be catching you guys on the next tech video because I'll drop soon a video of comparison between the A30, the A100 and the AM18, the bigger bad boy, which I call it my studio based microphone, which is really amazing. So enough of me talking, guys. Up to on the next one. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments or section there, drop it down there below and we can mash up on the next one. And peace.